You know how I love supporting entrepreneur women, right? And today with us is this strong boss woman, Priya from
Hello.
Dosa Queen. Yes, and she has been this great entrepreneur who has started this journey in Brampton with the best South Indian food in Canada, I feel. And today we'll get to know about her journey. So let's see and let's ask from Priya what has been her journey throughout. How did she start this beautiful restaurant and how like difficult it has been or how easy it has been.
Of course. Hello, viewers. My name is Priya, and I am the so said women entrepreneur of Dosa Queen. So, this all started with my grandmother. So, she is my motivation, she is my inspiration.
Wow.
She has always been covering people or always been handling people with her delicious food. People who ate her food was always been like whatever she says will happen at home. So I learned that, instead of you giving anything, food is much precious for a human being. So I always have seen her preparing so many types of food, maybe even for 50 people. She is very happy to prepare. She never used to say, oh, I'm already tired, I prepared so much. You go anytime, she's ready for preparing food. So that's what inspired me. And from there, I started my first cooking at the age of 10. And slowly it progressed to learning all the recipes, dishes. I was like more into mentoring, coaching, tutoring. So I understood that my focus or my profession was to become a teacher. So my profession drove me towards becoming a teacher, and I became a professor, and I was a professor in the colleges in Canada. Once after the colleges closed down, once after I felt that okay, my college career here in Canada has got a little a downfall, I thought like I will bring back what I had passion for.
Exactly.
And I quickly had a thought without any second chance, like I want to make use of this time. At least now I'll get into what I really wanted to.
Exactly.
So there I went and stood in front of my husband without even thinking, asking for a restaurant spot. And that's how Dosa Queen was born.
Wow, that is so incredible. The journey of love through food. I love what she said about how food brings the entire family together, and when served with love, it can calm everyone down. And I think that is so important, right? I would like to know as well that you started the Dosa Queen journey now. What is this like specific thing that you thought that before like opening the restaurant that I want this to be my restaurant's motto?
Authenticity. Always anything made out of your 10 fingers, your hands, makes magic.
100%.
So I believe, I trust in this, my hands.
Wow.
So the authenticity that I have over here, you, if even if you have not gone to Chennai, you just come to Dosa Queen, Chennai is here.
Wow.
So this is
Completely true.
Chennai for Canada. So I have
Amazing.
brought complete Chennai flavors. What all I enjoyed in from my childhood until I came to Canada, every single day, wherever I go to a restaurant, to a street shop, what all I enjoyed, what all I loved the most, what all I felt as a customer is wow, is what I want to give to my customers over here.
Wow.
So if you have not gone to Chennai, guys, this is the spot.
This is the spot. This is like Chennai and Brampton.
Yeah.
And what you said was lovely that everything is so authentic, and we just had like literally three dosas and like lots and lots of different food, and we were just asking like Raja that it we still didn't feel like, oh, it's like too much or getting like heavier. Usually we feel, he said, there's no soda, there's no
Of course.
preservatives. Tell me more about that.
Of course, our batter, especially we grind it every single day. We have our grinder
Wow.
in house and we
Oh.
grind it every day. The batter is fermented over here overnight and completely freshly used for the customers the next morning.
Wow.
So we don't store it for days, or we don't add any yeast or soda, no curd for fermenting it. It's naturally fermented batter. That is the major reason you don't feel it overfilled or you the ghee used by us in on the dosa is our handmade ghee, churned
Wow.
butter, handmade ghee. So that's the reason why you don't feel it overwhelmed.
Wow.
That's another reason. And all the masalas that has been used onto the food is all hand ground by me over
Oh.
here. Hand picked spices. I go to the whole grain spaces. I pick all my masala products. I bring it over here. I hand roast it, and I grind it myself. I don't even allow anyone, even the recipe, even my family doesn't know what it is. So that's how
Wow.
much I take care of it.
Wow, that is so incredible. And like she said, like it was so authentic. It was like mom cooked food, right?
Of
Like a
course.
mom cooks for their child, so pure with pure desi ghee. She doesn't want any preservatives inside, nothing, just pure food. It was that love that we felt while eating. And tell me more about the unique Chennai dishes that you have, like the one we had, the bun jam and butter.
Yes.
Tell us more
So
about
bun
that.
butter jam. If you have gone to Chennai, Buhari is the first place, the hot restaurant which brought bun butter jam into our cuisine. So they
Wow.
were the first ones to bring it, and after that we have someone called as Gopal Dairy, where which is present at the back of my school. So St. Columban's is my school where got educated. From there, if I get back, there is Gopal Dairy where I used to have bun butter jam every day. All the
Oh,
days I go to school, I don't go home without bun butter jam.
school
That's
memories.
that's one of my favorite. So when we came over here, we missed it a lot. We used to search, we used to crave, we used to ask everyone like, that Chennai's bun butter jam. Every South Indian restaurant we go, we ask them, can you bring that?
Yeah.
But we felt, why do we have to ask? Why not we do it? Go find the
Yeah.
formula, go research. We've been researching for this bun butter jam, for this authenticity for more than 3 to 5 years. And
Wow.
then we brought this all custom made. Everything
Wow.
from scratch, the bun, the butter, and the jam. Everything is custom made. And that's how these flavors came to Canada.
Wow. Like three to
And
five years research for
yeah,
one
and we are
dish.
proud to say we are the first members to bring in Chennai's bun butter jam to Canada, Ji.
Oh, so it's
Yes.
the only place in Canada with Chennai's bun butter jam, guys. You have to come to this amazing place. Also, I loved the coffee, and the flavor of the coffee was like proper Madras filter coffee and very authentic. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, our coffee is made out of like 80% coffee and 20% chicory. That's how a filtered coffee is. The blend of the coffee powder, the hot water into the copper filter, which filters first in the morning. When mama comes and wakes you up, the
Yeah.
go brush my dear, your filter coffee is ready, and the
Yeah.
aroma in the morning, you will automatically wake up. You don't need anything else. With that aroma, we all have been like, nourished in that
Exactly,
aroma. So that's
exactly.
how we are. We all
Yeah.
got raised. So now when I feel that filter coffee, that one which
Yeah.
wakes you up in the morning,
Yeah.
I have to give that fragrance to my customer, which I enjoyed every morning.
Wow.
So that's the main reason I brought it from India, and I want it to be handmade every time. I don't make and keep it. I
Wow.
every time make the filter decoction, and I every time make the coffee fresh and then serve it. I don't make it and keep it in the flask. So
Wow.
that's the secret of it being so fresh and so flavorful.
Wow. Like if you want like fresh coffee and fresh food, this is the place for you. 100%. And we have like personally had mango smoothies at many places. We always discuss that, mango smoothies are good, but then again we are used to that flavor of like mango and milk, because in India mango milkshake was like mango and milk. There was no like mango and ice kind of thing, right? So how did you come up with that? Like, I should have this.
The first thing when I came over here, almost half of the glass was filled with ice,
Yeah.
and the rest half will be with whatever we order for.
Yeah.
So the first thing I thought, like, I will not use ice cubes into my shakes. My shakes will be purely fruit and milk,
So there's no ice.
no ice. So that's how it was made. My fruits are fruits, and my milk is milk, no addition to it.
Nothing like mom made.
Of course, and the flavor that you get is almost from the fruit flavor. If at all the fruit is not having that taste of sweetness, if the customer asks for additional sweet, we put sweetener like sugar, or we don't even use sugar. It's only mango and milk. That's how we wanted to present, because that's how I was, drinking my mango milkshake. That's how I was drinking my mango lassi. If I go to Paris Corner, is the best place to say about in Chennai, where you get everything made in front of your eyes with pure milk
Oh,
and the fruits in front of you. The fruits will be placed over there. You can choose your fruit. They bring pure milk in front of you. They make it directly, no
authentic.
ice cubes, no nothing. You
Truly
directly
organic.
get it.
Yeah.
Yes, that's how I
Perfect.
wanted it to be.
Wow, wow, that is so amazing. Like, this is something I love. It's like purely organic, authentic. I know what I'm drinking, I know the food I'm eating, and that's what I really love about like food when I know what are the ingredients. That is like pure transparency.
Customers used to ask us now, why is this light yellow in color?
Yeah.
It's not the mango orangish
Yeah.
color. It's
Yeah.
because it's original fruit inside.
Fruit.
If I had put pulp or color inside,
Yeah.
you will get the orangish color. If you
Color,
put just
exactly.
direct fruit, you don't get that. You get
Yeah.
normal yellow color.
Authentic one,
Yes.
exactly. Yeah. So Priya, like there are so many challenges when you open a restaurant. Even in back in India, people who you like open like new restaurants, they face like so many things that they have to overcome. And you being in a new country, you opened your own restaurant on your own 2 feet. How does it feel, and how was the experience?
To be, first thing is, I'm very proud that I took this decision. It's a
We are
very
proud
hard
of you.
decision.
Yes.
It's self pride will always, I feel like, it's not being overconfident, but being confident.
Yes.
Self pride has always improved me a lot
Yes.
wherever I step into. I feel that I can do it.
Yes.
So I'm proud that I took this decision, but this decision was not a simple, easy decision made overnight. This took 10 long years.
Yeah.
We've been doing catering over here from home. Every single catering that I did got me a family, not just customers.
Wow.
They became my family members. The first person, I still remember her name is Jaya. She was my first customer ever.
Wow.
She was the first person who trusted me, trusted my idlis, and she was the first person to order from me every week. And she used to tell, Priya, when you're opening a restaurant, you mark my words, I'll be the first person to stand for the opening. And she did.
She did. Wow.
She
Oh
did.
my God.
So that's how much I had as a clientele follow up. So I was doing catering. I found how much of customer base I have,
Yeah.
how strong I am in this industry.
Yes.
And only after that, after my colleges got closed,
Yes.
then I felt, instead of going for some other job, this is what my heart really feels to do.
Yeah.
Every time, even at nights, my dream is to serve someone.
Yeah.
So that's how I took this decision. Was
Wow.
not a simple decision. We were suffering for finances. We had a lot of background financial issues. We were suffering for support, because it's only me and my husband.
Right.
But he was like a four corner pillar for me, always
Wow.
protecting, always at the back, always saying like, you are the best.
Wow.
That's how I got the confidence to start this. But it was not an easy job. It has a, back end.
Wow.
It has reels and reels of
I
stories.
know, I
Yeah.
know. Of course, like, and as easy as it may seem to like third person standing here, I know how difficult and how many challenges you might have faced, but you overcame that with that confidence of yours, and you knew what you're doing is something that you love to do, and people that love goes to the other person, right? That vibe goes to the other person, and like you said, your husband was this constant pillar of support.
Of
I
course.
know that everything you have done right from scratch, but how important is that support for any woman seeing this video?
Of course, the when I say support, it was not just a support of giving money or providing with space. He used to finish his work at 5 o'clock. He used to take his car, roam around GTA every single day. Not even Saturdays and Sundays. He used to stay home. No lunch, no dinner. He never used to care about what he's eating. He used to roam around GTA to find a spot to check whether which one will be suitable for me, for our financial issues, what all we will be able to do, how can our financial system suit this particular place. He was like everywhere inquiring. He knows nook and corner of GTA now. So he
Wow.
went around every other space. And when once he came and told me, like, Priya, I think I've got one place. I'll be letting you know about it. To be like, I don't know how many people would have got this. This was my birthday gift, you know. And I was like,
Wow.
what,
And
you
at
know?
Queen, the place you
Yeah,
wanted.
he
Oh
gave me
my
the keys
god.
and he said, this is your birthday gift. And it was
Wow.
like, oh my goodness, come on.
Wow.
I couldn't even. Many people have got so many things. Yes, precious car,
Of
precious
course, yeah.
things, home.
This is your
This
dream.
is like my dream.
Yeah.
Come on, he brought it in front of my eyes and
Oh my
he
god.
showed me with that green color which I wanted to have. Banana leaf
Oh yes.
is
Yeah.
our motto, to have
Of course,
a
yeah.
serving of dosa on banana leaf. If you look at it, it's the same way.
Yes,
It
yes.
has been painted.
Oh yes.
So that was my thought always. I used to keep telling about that to him. I want a
Wow.
green background, like which is banana leaf, and gold on
Wow.
it. That's going to be my dosa. That's what I used to
Wow.
always tell him, and he
Wow.
brought that in front of my eyes.
Oh my
With
god.
with this light box, everything, it was like something very precious for me.
Oh
That was a
my
beautiful birthday gift for me.
god. That is so amazing. And like you have tears of joy, I feel so many tears of joy as well.
Of
Because
course.
people usually say that, I've seen in like award functions, people saying that, behind every man is this like women. But here, behind this powerful woman sitting here, there's a man who supported her, who
Always.
was there in that journey, and who like was that pillar of strength. I think that is the power couple. I think that is the compatibility that everyone should have in
Of
that
course.
relationship
Of course.
for like a prospering future.
Of
100%.
course. Of course.
Amazing.
So true. So true.
Amazing. And like I would just end with like one small question from you. You have like
Sure.
beautiful kids as well at home.
Sure.
How was their response that my mom is now an entrepreneur? She is like a restaurant owner. What was their idea?
First of all, they were like, oh my God, wonderful to say, such a supportive kids. We never used to go back to home even until 1 a.m. Sometimes for this, sometimes we've even stayed back here to finish our setup, to complete our job. Sometimes I used to take big catering orders. We never used to go back home. They used to adjust for everything. The next morning, they'll be so happy asking, oh, have you done it successfully? What did the customers say? And to be like, how it would be for others, I don't know. My younger one was 3 years old when I was doing my catering
Catering,
and
yeah.
stuff. Like, she used to do even a small piece of work that was like bringing all those plates and trays, bringing tubs and cups,
Yeah.
placing, arranging, counting. When I make
Yeah.
idli, she used to count one, two, three. That was like, my goodness, my
Oh
kids
my
were
god.
like from childhood
Yeah.
along with us, growing with us with this business. So food was like, everyone in my family loves my food. Each and every time I cook,
Wow.
they used to appreciate it, from the small one until the elderly people.
Wow.
They used to appreciate, they used to stand behind us,
Yeah.
especially my parents and his parents as well.
Yeah.
Inclusive of our kids, we are so lucky to have such a wonderful parents. Both
Wow.
of our parents always support us. Even for the
Wow.
catering which we recently did, his mom stayed throughout the night with us, throughout the night. It
Wow.
was a 33-hour process. We were awake for 33 hours to complete that catering. It was a very big order.
33 hours.
Yeah, so
Wow.
my kids, the parents, everyone supported us like anything. Mornings they supported. Throughout the night, my in-laws supported, chopping vegetables, staying with us. Oh my goodness, that was a mind-blowing support. My kids never used to even feel or make me feel that we are away from them.
Oh my god. Like that is like it seems like it was a true calling for you to actually get this and get this, business, because I think, when it is a calling, it is your purpose, you can achieve it, and the universe supports you in every possible
Of
way.
course, maybe I was
Yes.
keep on talking about this.
Yes.
Universe heard it. That's how
Yes,
it
yes,
is.
and it is truly
Yeah.
your hard work, right? The universe saw your pure intentions, and with how purity and love you make everything, and that shows in the food, that shows in this vibe of this restaurant, and that's what we loved, and you guys will love it too. Please come over here, support our women entrepreneur, this strong women. She is, the like part and parcel of this big project, the Dosa Queen, and come here and support her and have this amazing food so that you also enjoy and we also prosper, and we open like many, many, many locations in the near future. So come and support us, and thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much, viewers. Thank you so much for accepting us, and thank you so much for watching us.